Architecture isn't just about bricks and mortar. It's about stories. Stories of why something was built, what it stood for, and how it continues to touch our lives today. Let's journey through some of the world's most iconic structures that uncover what makes them so unforgettable. Over 4,500 years ago, the Great Pyramid of Giza rose from the desert sands. Why was it built? To house the soul of Pharaoh and ensure passage to their afterlife. But it's more than just a tomb, it's a marvel of engineering. Each block, perfectly aligned, speaks of civilization that combined art with science, connecting us to a world that still feels mysterious. Home to a structure that once sparked controversy, the Eiffel Tower. Built in 1889 for the World's Fair, it was meant to showcase France's engineering prowess. But not everyone loved it at first. Critics called it monstrosity. Yet today, it is the heart of Paris. Couples, tourists, dreamers, they all flock here. Its Iron Lattice framework isn't just a feat of design, it's a symbol of resilience, proof that sometimes the boldest ideas takes time to be loved. And from the top, you will see the world differently. A city steeped in romance and ambition. The structure born of love, the Taj Mahal. Built by Emperor Shah Jahan as a mausoleum for his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. It is often called the greatest monument to ever created. Every element of Taj Mahal has meaning. The symmetry, inlays of semi-precious stones, the central dome. Its perfect harmony with Mughal and Persian architecture. For those who visit, it is deeply emotional. It is not just a UNESCO site, it is a reminder of love's power to inspire art that lasts forever. These structures aren't just buildings, they are masterpieces. They were built with a purpose, shaped by history, and have become a part of our shared human story. Every block, every beam, every curve tells us something about who we are and what we can achieve when we dream big. So, next time you stand before an iconic element, remember, you are not just looking at architecture, you are standing in the presence of history, wonder, and the dreams of those who came before us. Thank you for joining us on this journey through history, design, and human ingenuity. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such stories that inspire and connect us all through architecture. And see you next time.